In this video, I'll help you fix the account verification failed issue on Western Union step by step. By the way, if you run a business, Western Union probably isn't the best option for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to fix the Western Union identity verification failed issue, first open the Western Union app on your device. Once the app opens, tap on the Send option, where you will see a prompt asking you to verify your identity in a few simple steps. Next, choose the type of ID you want to use for verification. Make sure the ID you select has your photo on it, and that the name on the ID exactly matches the name you used when creating your Western Union account. If the names don't match, the system may reject your verification. After selecting your ID, make sure you have allowed camera access for the Western Union app. The app needs permission to use your camera so it can capture your ID and sometimes a selfie for confirmation. When taking the photo of your ID, make sure the picture is clear and not blurry. Try to place the ID on a flat surface with good lighting so all the details are visible. If the image is blurry or not clear, the verification may fail. If you've followed all these steps and the verification still fails, you can contact Western Union customer support. Open any browser such as Chrome, Safari, or another browser on your device and search for Western Union customer service. This will take you to their official support page where you can get help. On the support page, you will see the Chat with Us option. Click on it to start a chat. You may first be connected to an AI assistant, but you can request to speak with a live agent who can help you resolve the verification issue or guide you through the process. You can also choose to call Western Union support directly using their customer service number, where a representative will assist you with fixing the verification problem. Finally, make sure your internet connection is stable, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data, because a weak connection can sometimes interrupt the verification process and cause it to fail. Once your ID is clear, the details match, and your connection is stable, the verification should complete successfully. Western Union is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Western Union offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.